Okay, so we got to do our confidence interval now for SAT math and SAT verbal. So B sub 1, if you look on problem 10, right next to that verbal line, the slope is 0.675075, plus or minus. We're doing 90% confidence interval, right? So let's do that. We got to figure out what this is now. So 90%. And that starts at the 5th percentile and ends at the 95th percentile. So that's it. So let's do inverse t, 0.95. And there's 160 degrees of freedom in this problem. So our t value is 1.654. And then our standard error from the regression output is 0.0568. So I'm going to figure out my margin of error right away. I'm going to multiply that times 0.0568. So that gives us our margin of error. It's 0.094. So we got 0.675075 plus or minus 0.094. So let's do 0.675075 minus 0.094. So we get about 0.58. And then we do second enter. Then we add the margin of error. We get about 0.77. So we are 90% confident that math SAT scores will increase by between 0.58 and 0.77 points for each additional point that SAT verbal increases. Okay, you could put that other ways. You could say as SAT verbal increases by 1, math SAT will increase by between 0.58 and 0.77. It's just a different way of writing the same thing. Again, you put 90% confident in front of it. But the whole point is we're 90% confident that when the SAT verbal goes up 1 point, the math SAT will go up between 0.58 and 0.77 points. So there is a positive relationship between those two.